Hello everyone! I'm back again, Dr. Grace Caro Beltran, ang inyong dermatologist and cosmetic surgeon, and genetologist. Ang topic po natin ngayon ay hindi lamang interesting sa mga matatanda, kundi sa mga bata din. Ito po yung tinatawag natin na graying hair or canitis or achromotrichia, yung pagpuputi ng buhok. Bakit ba nagkakaroon ng graying hair? Well, there are many causes of graying hair. Ang isa na dito, nutritional deficiency. If you are deficient of certain vitamins like B vitamins, minerals like copper, iron, selenium, biotin, calcium, folic acid, and zinc. Okay? So, those are the necessary minerals and vitamins that one should have in order to delay or prevent graying of hair. Another cause of graying hair is the low serum ferritin level. Kasi kung wala kang serum ferritin, magiging low ang iron supply mo sa body. Pangatlo, syempre genetic, no? Kapag may mamanahing kang puting buhok, bata ka pa lang, pwede ka na magkaroon ng graying hair. So, pag matanda na, that's natural na kasi aging. Pero kung bata ka pa at nagkaroon ka ng graying hair, that is definitely genetic. And then another one is when you are stressful. Because oxidative stress that is created by too much stress plus free radicals can diminish the production of your melanin, kaya puputi yung mga buhok ninyo. And then we also have certain medical conditions like autoimmune diseases, yung mga lupus, dermatomyositis. These patients who have autoimmune diseases are also prone to formation of early graying hair. And even those patients with vitiligo, yung kagaya ng sakit ni Michael Jackson na pumuputi yung balat, ikaw din ay may at a higher risk for developing graying hairs or canitis. Smoking, alcohol, hindi maganda ang habit mo in eating, hindi ka kumakain ng fruits and vegetables, yan, it can also lead to forming of graying hair early in life. May mga pasyente ako na mahilig yung mga magpaayos ng buhok, so yung magpapakulot, yan, yung magpapakulot or hair straightening, kumisa may mga chemical components to that are harmful for the melanocytes. So, they either kill the melanocytes or prevent your melanocytes from forming properly the melanin synthesis, no? Kaya walang color yung hair mo, kaya pumuputi yung hair mo because of that. So, avoid chemical hair dyes, lalo na yun may mga hydrogen peroxide, and then hair products and even shampoos with harmful chemicals. And lastly, if you do not get enough sleep, no? Kung kulang ka ng melatonin sa body, you develop more free radicals and oxidative stress, and then this also lead to the less production of melanin from your melanocytes. So, pumuputi yung hair mo. You prioritize sleep, at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep every day. Kapag nakakatulog ka ng mabuti, you form less oxidative stress and free radicals in the body, and then you help repair the DNA damage that is brought about by stress. Kaya mapiprevent mo yung graying hair. Pangalawa, manage your stress. Balanced diet, ang sinabi ko kanina, yung mga vitamins and minerals na kailangan nakakain din nyo yun regularly. And then stay hydrated all the time. Dapat pala-inom ka rin ng tubig, no? And then regular exercise and maintaining your weight. So, huwag ka magpapatabang masyado kasi this can also lead to more free radical and oxidative stress formation that leads to less production of melanin. And then also reduce exposure to sun or protect your hair from sun exposure. And lastly, protect yourself from air pollution. Ano ba yung mga superfoods na nagpe-prevent ng graying hair? So, we have green leafy vegetables like spinach, cauliflower, broccoli, cabbage, kale. These are rich in iron, folate, vitamins, and calcium. And then dark chocolate, which is also rich in antioxidants. Dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt, which are rich in vitamin B12, calcium, and protein. And then, eggs are also abundant in protein and vitamin B12. Mape-prevent yung pagkakaroon mo ng cramps kung lagi kang nakaitlog. Soybeans, these have proteins that is a substitute for plant-based dieters. So, yun, kung hindi ka palakain ng karne, kumain ka ng soybeans kasi it has proteins that is a substitute for people who does not eat meat. Also, lentils, a great source of vitamin B9, mushrooms, a great source of copper, which aids in the production of melanin, and then fermented foods din, no? Kagaya ng mga kimchi, favorite ko yan, pickles, kombucha. This helps in the digestion so that you can retain more biotin in your system. Pag proper ang digestion mo, the biotin components of all these the things that you're eating is retained better in your system. Kung may mga tanong po kayo tungkol sa graying hair, then you can call and ask me through my numbers. Please follow and share my account.